My name is Collab, and I have over 2 years of STEAM and ICT education experience. And as a teacher, I've seen firsthand how easy it is to get glued to those devices. But I've also witnessed the transformative power of that same technology and how it can transform those kids' lives. That's why I'm here today to introduce to you TechTrain's new game-changing tech programs. At TechTrain, we strive to make the most out of their time kids spend on their devices. And we try to make it focused toward learning, being more creative, and communicating better. And the way we do that is by introducing topics like computers, coding, creating 2D and 3D designs, learning about artificial intelligence, and last but not least, making games. All of our courses are conducted online, led by highly qualified English-speaking educators. With an impressive student-to-teacher ratio of 6:1, we strive to make the most out of the time the kids are with us. If you're interested, enroll to our free trial today, and we'll see you shortly.